cloud architecture layer, anatomy, network connectivity, right? Applications in the cloud, managing the cloud, right? This managing the cloud is classified into two types. One is the cloud infrastructure, and second one is the cloud application, right? Next, we are going to see our last topic, that is migration. Okay, migrating the applications of the cloud and phases of the migrations, approaches of the cloud migration. So in this third unit, very important topic is architecture one, second one is the network connectivity, and third, this total third unit is total a very important. My direct questions will be coming. Okay, managing the cloud infrastructure, direct question. Last year the question was came, this migrating application, direct question has been came from this unit, third unit. Okay, this was the question, migrating the applications, how you, what are the steps involved for the migrating the applications to the cloud. That was the question in previous exam. So this is the new syllabus, this is the second new syllabus for you. So okay, first time already your seniors has been completed, again now this is second time for you. So here we are going to see the migrating the applications, right? So here why we have to use these migrations. Okay, first of all, why we have to use these all things, means whenever I want to move my application from one platform to another platform, okay, at that time I have to use this migration, right? So I want, for example, we have discussed our cricket website, right? So what we have done, I have developed my website in laptop. I was maintaining with my laptop, but suddenly here what happening? My users, subscribers, everything was increasing. So I was unable to handle these all things, right? So I have approached for the service provider. Okay, any service provider, IBM or Microsoft Azure, some or Amazon. I have approached for them, and I have say I have informed them, this is my so and so website. Okay, in this I am going to be displaying all the live scores of cricket. So my users are going to be increasing. So according to that, you have to post my website in the cloud, right? So here I am going to be approaching to the service providers. So the first step, okay, phases of cloud migration, the first step is evaluation. So evaluation means here, before moving my website into the cloud, here service providers, they are going to be evaluating. Okay, evaluating means which technology I have used. Okay, so which platform I have used, what kind of a architecture I have used, is it a one tier or a two tier or a three tier. Okay, like that they are going to be identifying, and they are going to be identifying like a data. Okay, what kind of a data is there, how many users are there. Okay, like how many users are there. Okay, what are the things they required. Okay, so whenever the hits are going to be increasing, okay, unable to control these all things, right? So how many hits are going to be increasing per hour or per day, or like that they are going to be identifying each and everything. And here, whenever the service provider, they are going to be doing the evaluation of these all things. Here they are, here I am giving the condition that whenever my subscribers or users are going to be increased, okay, my website should not go down. Okay, this one thing you have to look after that. Okay, and here evaluation, in that first stage evaluation is going to be done, means they are going to be identifying the technology. Okay, in which technology you have developed. Okay, what kind of a architecture you have used. Okay, what kind of a data it is there. Okay, is there any risk involved in that website, right? So these all things, everything, okay, all discussions are going to be done during evaluation statement, right? So for example, I have developed the website, right? It is not developed with some sophisticated security. So they are going to be identifying each and everything, okay, not developed properly, or application is poor quality is there, or any security issues are there or not. Okay, these all things they are going to be identifying. So at last they will be deciding then, they have to put or not. Okay, so service providers will see all the security and vulnerabilities of all your websites. Okay, and cost, they are going to be deploying the cost, and they are going to be deploying the security discussions, and everything will be happen between the client and the users. Okay, once the client is satisfied means, then they are going to be deploying in that, okay, in deploying in the cloud. Okay, so in the first stage evaluation here, they are going to be discussing all things with their clients. Okay, discussing, and they are finding each and everything about their website. Okay, whatever I want to move. Okay, my application I want to move from one system to cloud. Okay, at that time, before pushing, or before putting that information into the cloud, at the background service providers will be identifying these all things. Means evaluations will be done between the client and the service providers. Once client is satisfied with this, satisfied with this everything, then they are going to be deploying their application into the cloud. So that is the first one, evaluation, right? Evaluation discussions are going to be done before moving your application into the cloud. They are identifying each and everything. Okay, is there any security risk are there? Okay, SLS are there or not? Okay, everything they will be identified. Once everything will be okay, then there will be whatever the things are not present in your website, they will provide. Okay, if you are okay, then they will be deploying the website, right? And second phase, okay, second phase is migration strategy. So totally we are having the five stages, one is the evaluation stage, right? Here at the background, before moving the application into the cloud, okay, evaluation will be done between the client and the service provider. Next, migrating strategies will be there. Third, prototyping. Fourth, provisioning. And fifth, testing. Okay, these are the five phases. So second phase, migration strategy. Okay, migration strategy here means, here what happening means, how I move. Okay, how I move my web applications. Okay, I can move any web application into the cloud, right? So it is going to be based on the evaluation. After evaluation, immediately migration strategies can be done. This can be done in two ways. One by hot plug strategy, and second by fusion strategy. Hot plug strategy means entire applications will be moved to the cloud in a single shot, right? Entire applications will be moved into a cloud in a single shot. But fusion strategy means entire applications will not be moved, okay, and partially will move or migrate to the cloud. Partially will move or migrate to the cloud, and few days later or few months later, remaining part will be moved. Right. So, have you heard an fusion strategy, ma? Do you know this fusion strategy? Like why half part they are moving, why half part they are not moving? Do you know anyone? Fusion strategy. Here hot plug strategy means, any means, whatever my application I want to move into the cloud, in a single shot I can move. Okay, but in fusion strategy, partially I am moving my application, and remaining I will be moving later. Okay, so how to apply this fusion strategy here, right? How fusion strategies are going to be applied means, here whatever the applications I have developed, my website is there, okay, cricket website is there. I want to move that into the cloud, okay. So that website, whatever the website I have developed, I have used some tools, okay, I have used some softwares. That tools and softwares belongs to the third party, okay. I have purchased from some of the company, one of the company, okay, that is X or Y company. I have purchased, okay, that software, and they have provided me a license, okay. They have provided me a license, and already I have installed in my laptop and I was utilizing, right. So it was that license will be available for the one system only, right. Whatever the software and the tools I have purchased, that license will be eligible for that one machine only. I cannot install in the other machines, right. Only for one machine I can use that license softwares, right. To use whatever that particular machines I am using, in that I will be installing. I may not I cannot install that software license in the other machines, right. So that is a third party license. So whenever I am moving my application into the cloud, right, third party license I can move to the, okay, whatever the license issues are there, I cannot move that part into the cloud, right. Either I have to renew, okay, either I have to renew that, or either I have to pay some amount for that, okay, again I have to follow some rules and strategies for that, then I can move that remaining part, right. So, right, so in fusion strategy what I will be doing means, half part, whatever the part I have done without involving the third party license or software, ఏదైతే అది లేదో ఆ పార్ట్ని నేను అలానే పెట్టేసుకుంటాను. ఏదైతే థర్డ్ పార్టీ టూల్స్ యూస్ చేస్తలేనో ఆ టూల్స్ అన్ని నేను క్లౌడ్లో మూవ్ చేసేస్తానమ్మా. వన్స్ నేను ఏం చేస్తాను, దీనికి అప్డేట్ రెన్యూ ఆర్ I will get a proper license, then it may consume some time, right. Then I will move that other party to the cloud, okay. That is the fusion strategy, right. So here later I will be partially, I will be moving my application into the cloud, right. Partially, that is the meaning of that, right. So hard plug strategy means in entire application I can move in a single shot, right. If there is any means third party license we are not going to be using, means entire in hotplex entirely we can push that data into the cloud. That is the second strategy now, migration strategy. In this it is going to be done in two ways. One by hot plug strategy, okay, that is in single shot, okay. Here they are not going to be depending on any other application or any other softwares, right. Independently they are, so that all our applications we are moving into the cloud in a single shot. But fusion strategy, whatever they are, if they are depending on the any other license or any other thing, okay, that part we have to push later, okay. That is the fusion strategy, right. And third phase is prototyping now, okay. So prototyping means not entire application is deployed and tested, okay. Initially deploy some portion and they will show to you, not everyone will see, they will not publish, right. If client is satisfied, okay, or validations of that done, everything will be shown in a global wise, right. So in this prototyping, here whatever the application in migration strategy and evaluation, what we have done now, at the background we have done all the verification. In second stage we some portion we have moved, okay, we have not entire application we are pushing now, okay, just a small portion we are selecting, okay, we are small portion of that applications we are selecting, and testing, we are doing testing, okay, we are not doing any published there, okay, just we are doing some validation. Once the client is satisfied, okay, then we are giving the visible option for the globalization, right. Globalization prototype is nothing but just taking the small part of your website, okay, instead of pushing your total website into the cloud, just they are selecting the small part of that applications and they are going to be validating and identifying. Okay, finally they are giving the permission for the visible to all. They are not going to be publishing, right? And provisioning means how resources are going to be allotted, deallocated. These all things will be coming up forth. Means here before pre-migrations, okay, identified whatever they need. Okay, everything they are going to be providing. Resource allocations will be done. Okay, once client is satisfied means then they are going to be doing all the provisioning of the resources. And at last, fifth phase is testing, right? So this can be done post migration, right? So here testing, ma, here we are discussing like a website. I have my website, right? Hits are increasing, okay, daily. Okay, hits are increasing, and here we have to check, okay, how they are going to be checking, right? So is that application is supporting for how many users, how many hits it can support at a time. Okay, so they have to do a test. So here what these service providers will be doing means here they are going to be creating http request. Okay, do you know http request? సో వితౌట్ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, హిట్స్ మాన్యువల్గా అందరినీ హిట్స్ చేయండి చేయండి అని అట్ ఎ టైం ఎవరికి చెప్పలేము. సో విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ హెచ్టిటి రిక్వెస్ట్ మీన్స్ డబ్ల్యూటీలో ఒక ఆల్గారిథమ్స్ ఉంటాయమ్మా. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ create one algorithm. Okay, we can create number of hits and we can test at a time. Okay, how many hits I can increase, 1,000 or 10,000 or. Okay, in that algorithm I will be mentioning the hits and I will be testing is that application is supporting for 10,000 hits or not, 1 lakh hits or not. Okay, with the help of that http request algorithms, okay, with that program here I can identify how quickly it is responding or not. Okay, these all testings will be done, right? So manual గా మనం అందరినీ హిట్స్ చేయండి అది చేయండి అని చెప్పలేము కదా టెస్ట్ చేయడానికి at a time. So here in this testing each and everything will they will be identifying, means they will be identifying is there any bugs has been raised. Okay, is it is handling the performance. Okay, handling the performance and controlling the load. Okay, is there any failures will be happening or not, suddenly users are increasing or viewers are increasing means any failures are will be happening or not. These all testings will be done, right? So that is the fifth phase, right? So this is the phases of migrations, right? Very very important question mark. So first stage is evaluation, second phase is migration strategy. This migration strategy is again classified into two types. One is the hot plug strategy and the second one is the fusion strategy, right? Remember this example so that you can easily write in your exams, right? And third, prototyping. Here just small portion we are taking and doing the validation, is it working properly or not. Once it is properly working then we are publishing in the cloud, right? So provisioning, everything is satisfied, client validation has been done. Okay, he is satisfied with that means then provisioning will be done. Okay, resources are going to be allocated and everything. And in later fifth stage, testings. Okay, in testing is that my website is supporting 2,000 hits or 10,000 hits or not. Okay, they are going to be manually they are going to be checking with the help of this programs http request. In that code they will be increasing the like hits 10,000 1 lakhs hits they are increasing and they are identifying the issues. Okay, how quickly it is responding, is there any issues are going to be raised in that or not. Okay, like that they are going to be identifying. So that is phases of cloud. Cleared, ma? Any doubt till now? Cleared? Phases of migration. Very very important, ma, this topic. వింటున్నారా అందరు? ఓకే. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So one more last topic is there. We'll continue in the next class. Already Anjani has been explained. Just I am giving some examples so that it can be useful for you. Right? Meanwhile, so everyone post your attendance. So very important topics. My today's topic is phases of cloud.